All right, what's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry Z. Welcome to the channel, Buy the Dip. All right, guys, and in today's video, we are going to do a stock portfolio of my breakdown of my Robinhood account and my Fidelty account. Yes, we're going to deep into both accounts. Now, you guys probably seen my Robinhood portfolio, and we're just going to run down currently what we've had here. So I basically opened this account on March the 15th, and I've so far put $1,200 of my own dollars in this account. I got my free stock, and then I've been trading ever since. And as you can see, it's been trending upwards, so I must be doing something right. I've been doing nothing but making money, as you can see here. Stays level, goes down, up, has a couple dips, back up again, then we drop down, back up. So it's been a little rocky through that July month, and as you can see here, since August, it has been nothing but gravy ever since these 2 weeks, and we've climbed up. So if we do the 1 year chart here, as you guys can see, up $154 and change, which is almost almost 13% up on my money, 12.86%. So that's pretty good. I've been trading since March. And then here we are in August. So basically what? April, May, June, July, August. So 5 months, and I am up 12%. So not bad. You know, learning a little bit and going along the way here. I did some buys and sells, take $5, $10, $20 profits, and move on to the next trade. Here is what's in my portfolio right now. I did a video on this Friday. I did do a $2 GNUS put, because it gave me actually, it says 53, which is technically $53, but technically it's $50 because they round down because the position's below $3. So right now GNUS is above my break-even price is $1.50, and I already got a $50 credit in my account, so I only had to put up basically $150 collateral, and as of now I'm doing good. GNUS is at 155. It was at 159 when I opened up this position. So that's the current breakdown on that. I also own 100 shares of GNUS. And now this one here, I'll go down here and show you guys this. I did have a $3 put on it, and I'm down on that, but I have been selling calls for a long time on this stock, and I'm probably only down about $40 or so overall on that stock, which ain't bad. And it says 145, but that's technically not correct. I've been doing calls ever since, and a couple of those weeks when it shot up, I was getting $30 and $40 because it's a pretty volatile stock. So not bad. Like I said, I'm pretty bullish on Genius Brands. You can check my I'll put some links, I'll put it down in the comments section of other Genius videos. The company's doing good things, man. They're really trying. And probably one of my biggest positions here is LCA. Now I'm going to get into my Fidelty account now, where the big holding of this is, but on my Robinhood account, I only have 10 shares, and currently I'm up 11.71%, so average cost of $12, and I'm up a total of over 11%, up $14 and change, so not bad. LCA treating me good there, which is going to be soon here in the third quarter, switched over to GNOG, which I think it's really going to take off. Also have 100 shares of SiriusXM, ticker symbol Siri. This stock right now I'm up a little bit on. My average cost was $5.91 a share, and currently I'm only up $6.44. I did just get a dividend pending here of $1.33, so I'm going to hang on to that dividend here for end of the month. See where Sirius goes. It's not really a great stock. I mean, it's a great stock, don't get me wrong. I think it's going to be one of those slow growth stocks, because even if you go here and if I go to sell calls, I mean, even at $6, there's really it's not a good stock to do like selling calls and selling puts on. I mean, it's just no money to be made on this stock. So I'm going to hang on to it for another couple weeks to a month and see if it does anything. And if it doesn't, I may just sell it off and take a small profit, because right now I'm up 6 cents a share, so a little over $6, plus the dividends I'll get. And this stock here is treating me pretty good. Arcimoto, ticker symbol FUV. And as you see here on this stock, I'll scroll down. My average cost is $6.60 a share. And right now I'm up $23.74. And I'm up basically almost 15%. So I'm up 14.39% on my total return. Not bad for a few $100s and up almost 15%. So I'm glad I bought into Arcimoto. I have a video on that as well, guys. Go check the channel if you want to check it out. I still think it's a great buy. This stock under probably $10 is going to be a great buy. I'm actually thinking about purchasing a couple more shares of this, actually, and getting some more Arcimoto. So I think that is so far it for the Robinhood account. Now we will switch over to the Fidelty account. So like I said, total, we are up $155, almost 13% on the Fidelty, or no, on the Robinhood account. Go over here to the Fidelty account. I have a good bit more money over here. Right now, the current value is $2,430 and change. And if we run down here, our first one we have highlighted is Ally Bank. As you can see here, if I go to my average cost, I have only 2 shares. And my cost is $19.70 a share. The current price right now is $21.94. And I'm total up $4.47. And that is 11.34%. And I just got a dividend for Ally as well. So that's pretty nice. Got my first dividend from Ally. I think I am going to pick up a couple more Ally. And I'm going to pick up a little bit more of probably Iron Mountain and Ford, I think. So we'll see. We'll run down my Ford here. As you can see, Ford, I do have 20 shares at an average price of $5.27. Current price is $6.98. On Ford, we are up a total of $34.13. And the percentage is ridiculous, up 32.36%. We're almost like, you know, if you go by baseball, every 25% is like a single, a double, triple, and 100% gains is a home run. So right now we are hitting a single and rounding to that second base on a double right now on Ford. So that's pretty nice. Up 32% on my Ford position. I wish I would have bought more back then. I only bought 20 shares, a little over $100 worth. But still, I mean, making money on stuff is making money. Next position, guys, is Iron Mountain. I only have 4 shares, and I have an average cost of $25.56. I've had these shares for a month or two now, and they've been doing phenomenal right now. $25.56 share price. Right now the price is $30.33. Why didn't I buy more? Right now I'm up $19.08, which is percentage-wise 18.66% to date up. So that's pretty nice. So, I mean, these first three are 11%, 32%, 18%. Now we're going to get into my one that, as you can see here, is the biggest position that has pretty much the bulk of like 70% of my money in here right now is Lancadia Holdings, which is GNOG. I have 130 shares. This is where I put, this is the one I believe is going to jump up and do my account really good. So I have 130 shares at an average price of $13.63 a share. Right now it's at $13.35 a share. So total, right now I am down $35.86, only down 2.02%. So not bad. I mean, that's a small percentage down, only down 35 bucks on such a big position. Like I said, when this thing switches to GNOG, and you know, their July earnings report was phenomenal. I can't wait to see their August earnings report. It's going to be great. I just did a video on GNOG too, man. It's on my channel. I have the report from New Jersey, and this was only their New Jersey earnings. They were up 111% in 1 year on their earnings on the online gambling. So online gaming, go check out that video as well. It's on the channel. Just search under my videos. You'll see a lot of videos under GNOG, LCA, which I think this stock's going to take off. Next position is Solo. I have 50 shares at an average price of $3.59. Right now the price is $2.98. So right now I am down a total of $30.35, down 16.92%. So the percentage is hurting. Not worried about the 30 bucks, but that percentage is kind of ooh. But anyway, not bad. I mean, you know, taking some wins and losses here. I still think Solo is still gonna eventually go up to 5 or 750 eventually. So if I had more money to purchase, I would probably try to get 100 shares. As you can see right now, I have $21 cash in my account. I got some dividends. I had a little bit of money left over from purchases. So I'm just going to try to build my cash back up. Now this next one here is a very interesting one, and I'm doing phenomenal on it. It is Tronox Holding. My average cost, I have 20 shares at an average cost of $6.76 a share. Right now the stock is $8.96. It's actually down. So it's not a bad time to get in on this stock because this thing was over $9 plus. It was almost like $9.25, $9.50 like last week or the week before. So my total on this, I am up $44.04 total, up 32.58%, man, almost a double. So definitely a single, almost a double, and that's pretty nice. So Trox is holding up good. They also have a pretty decent dividend as well, I believe. We're not going to get into the dividends on this video, but definitely it's a good stock. It's been treating me well. I mean, we're up over $2.20 a share, and I've had it a few months, so the stock is treating me well. I just, in this case, wish I would have bought more, but my money's tied up in LCA, so I'm waiting on LCA to pay me for my reward of buying those shares. Because other stocks are taking up, I'm just waiting on GNOG to come back and come through for me. And the last one here is almost a home run. So, but I only have 5 shares. It's kind of sad. I only have 5 shares. It's TTM, Tata Motors, 5 shares at an average price of $4.53 a share. And the current price is $8.21. I am up a total of $18.42, and the percentage, guys, I'm up 81.4%. Almost a home run on that position. I just wish I would have had more. I was just buying some stuff. I held on to them. Tata Motors makes parts for electric vehicles. They're just a parts place, so they're not worried about selling vehicles or anything like that. If you're selling vehicles, you're going to go to them to get your parts. So that's one to check into. This stock still has room to grow as well. I just don't have the money right now to do it. My money's held up in a lot of stocks, as you can see in both accounts. My Fidelty account's over $2,400 and Robinhood is $13. So almost like $2,800 or $3,800 roughly in both accounts. So, and LCA is roughly around probably almost $2,000 of it. So probably over 50% of my portfolio is in LCA with 140 shares. So as soon as LCA takes off the GNOG, man, I'm hoping this account will grow like crazy, especially the Fidelity account. I also have some earlier trades on my Fidelity account where I bought Carnival, made over like $2,000 on buying and selling Carnival. If you guys want to see a video on my trades on Carnival, I could get those screenshots up for you guys through my Fidelity account here. Just got to make sure I have stuff blurred out. Don't want to show the account information. Fidelity's kind of tricky on that. You got to have it worded just right. So, alright guys, gonna be it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Really helps out the channel. Comment down below. I'll definitely shoot you a reply back. And if you download Robinhood using my link down below, link up your bank account, we each get a free stock. So it helps out the channel. So alright guys, I will catch you in the next one, and remember, buy the dip.